For days, Todd, you don't have very good news.
Well, I mean, you could look to spring or the middle of the summer, that sort of thing, but we'll see a little bit of improvement, daytime highs by the middle of the week. It's the morning lows especially, and right now outside, just thanks to a little bit of breeze, it feels pretty cold. Plus, we have a blanket of snow on the ground. Always makes it a little bit cooler out there. Carlton sent in this really great looking shot, for those of you who can still handle any more snow. 8 inches of fresh snow on the ground there in Gasport, New York, since late yesterday. Of course, we've added to that this morning to bring totals up to 8 inches. And we'll take a look at the forewarned Doppler because there are still a few pockets of light snow, some here to the south through southern Erie County and even in northern portions of Chautauqua and Cattaraugus counties, West Valley to Ellicottville. Few of the areas that you actually want to see snow, but it's really light snow that you're finding across many of these areas. Some pockets here and there during the daytime could pick up to about a ½ inch, very minor accumulations, but some of these same spots could add to it again overnight tonight, less than an inch, minor amounts. Up towards Gasport and Lockport, you just had that one little batch push its way off towards the east, and still a chance for some light snow coming in mainly off Lake Ontario today. And these areas that I just zoomed into are really the only spots in western New York where we're finding the snowfall. So at least when you zoom out, you get the idea. Those couple pockets and a few very light snow showers elsewhere, that's the start of it. Then this evening, we'll see that next chance. So here's a look at it on the VividCast model. It does paint that really light category of snow, just that very light blue, a chance for at least a few flurries, even extending down towards Olean, Bradford, Coudersport, not completely out of the woods for some very light snow. But again, not much in the way of any accumulation. Later tonight, there's 11 p.m. This next weak little impulse rolls through, and this is the chance to drop another about a ½ inch in and around the city. For most areas on the higher elevations of the Chautauqua Ridge, may be able to pick up about an inch with that into early tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning's commute could still deal with some slick roadways similar to today, but not much in the way of real accumulation. We did see some better numbers, especially right along the Lake Ontario lake shores. I'm letting this keep going because into early Wednesday morning, the biggest weather feature will be clear skies and light winds. And you combine those two and you have the perfect night to watch temperatures just drop straight off. Call it a perfect radiational cooling night. So at least for today, we're starting to go again in the right direction, upward. 12 right now in Buffalo, same in Olean, 14 in Wellsville. Thing is, with that little bit of a breeze we have, it doesn't feel quite that mild. 14-mile-per-hour winds out of the west there at Niagara Falls. We're starting to see most areas trending to the west. That'll still bring a chance for a few light snow showers in along the ridge itself. But as mentioned earlier this morning, much of Lake Erie is frozen, so it's not leaving much to work with there. There's a look at the current wind chill, 0 in Buffalo right now. Daytime highs, upper teens to right around 20 degrees. And when you look at the next couple of days, Teresa, this is for you. Wednesday, Thursday, at least daytime highs getting into the 20s. There'll be some sunshine in the mix, and Friday will bring our next chance for more widespread snow.
All right, thanks very much, Todd. I appreciate it.